In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does Loom cost. By the end, you'll know exactly what each plan includes, what you get for the price, and how to decide which option fits your workflow and budget. First, to see the most accurate numbers for your region, head to Loom's login or pricing page. Pricing can change over time, and it's often lower when billed annually. With that in mind, let's walk through the current lineup so you can compare features with confidence. The free or starter plan costs $0. It's designed for light use and quick recordings. You can create up to 25 videos, and each recording can be up to 5 minutes long. You still get the essentials like recording your screen and camera together, plus captions. If you're new to Loom, this is a great way to try it out or handle short updates. Just remember the limits. Keep an eye on your video count and plan your talking points so you stay within that 5-minute cap. Next is the business plan, the most popular choice at around $18 per user per month, with a lower rate if you pay annually. This is where Loom becomes fully usable for ongoing work. You get unlimited videos and unlimited recording length, so you can capture full demos, trainings, and walkthroughs without watching a countdown. You can download your videos, remove Loom branding when you share or export, and access basic editing tools and analytics. For teams that send videos to clients or need consistent internal documentation, these upgrades make a noticeable difference. If you want enhanced automation and post-production speed, consider Business Plus AI at about $24 per user per month. It includes everything in Business plus AI features like automatic captions and summaries, filler word removal, auto-generated titles and chapters, and AI-powered editing. This is especially helpful for content creators and advanced workflows where fast cleanup and consistent structure save time and keep your library organized. For large organizations, there's the enterprise plan with custom pricing through sales. It adds advanced security and administrative controls, including single sign-on, dedicated support, and organization-wide management. If you need centralized oversight,